Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, thank you for having me. My name is Abhishek Thakre from Zeal College of Engineering and Research of first year IT department, and my colleagues are Pushkar Pandey, Vaishnavi Fulle and Vishal Mankar. We are guided by Professor Chaitali Bhalerao. We are preparing our project under project-based learning activity, that is English Dictionary in Python.
This is how our project looks in the Python. If we enter any word, for example black, it shows the meaning and the description of that word, and this is our output looks like.
Hello everyone, myself Vaishnavi Fulle. Advantages of English dictionary are: first, they are portable, compact, light and easy to use. Second, they contain much more words and expressions than a paper dictionary. Third, they help to look up words and phrases quickly. Disadvantages of English dictionary: first, lack of credibility. Second, incomplete definitions provided. Third, the information found in online dictionaries can be incorrect. Further, my teammate Pushkar will continue. Thank you.
Hello, myself Pushkar Pandey. It is a search tool for meanings of different words of English language. It works like an online dictionary. Libraries imported are JSON and get closer matches from dflib. Conclusion: meanings of words can be searched efficiently. Even if any word is misspelled, a prompt appears displaying the meaning of the closest match. We are very thankful for getting this opportunity to perform in the PBL activity. Thank you.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.